Hello, this is Daniel Harrow from Technologicoverdose, here today with an unboxing of the Nintendo 3DS in Aqua Blue. So without further ado, let's get started. Anyway, so here we have a Nintendo 3DS console in Aqua Blue, and I also purchased the Executive Case, Asphalt 3D, the Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time 3D, and its pre-order box, and Super Street Fighter 3D Edition. So let's get on with the unboxing of the console. As previously mentioned, this is in Aqua Blue, as I preferred it, and inside we have a plethora of manuals. We have the Club Nintendo leaflet, which I will not show you the code. We have the augmented reality cards. It got caught on its tape. So inside we have the basic question block card, the Mario card, Link, Kirby, Samus Aran, and Pikmin. Put these away. We also have Nintendo customer support, Street Pass Me Plaza leaflet, important information for parents, quick start guide, and the operations manual. This out of the way, we have the UK plug charger. We have the console, but we'll save the best till last, and we have the dock/cradle, where the console just sits on top, which pushes this in here, which makes contact with the contacts on the back of the console. We also have a little port here, where you can get your stylus and your cartridge in and out from, and the plug here where you put this end of the charger in. And move the box out the way, because that's the end of it. And we have here the Nintendo 3DS console in Aqua Blue. It is in 3 tiers of blue. We have here the headphone port, the on-off indicator light, the charging indicator light, wireless switch, wireless indicator light, the 3D slider, the right trigger, the metal contacts here for the dock, the charger, cartridge port, stylus, which this time round is telescopic, so it extends. We have the infrared, not sure what that is, left trigger, volume slider, SD card, which Nintendo kindly provides 2 GB of. Back, and on top we have 2 3D cameras. On the inside we have a 16:9 screen, which is widescreen. We have an inward facing cameras, 2 speakers, we have the 3D slider again, we have the circle pad, as Nintendo calls it, the D-pad, A, B, X, Y buttons, start, select, home buttons, a touch screen, and a power button. I'd like to thank you for watching this unboxing of the Nintendo 3DS. Please leave comments below if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and please subscribe. If you'd like to see an unboxing of this, click it now. And if you'd like to see an unboxing of this, click it now. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.